In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save stories for offline reading on Wattpad using a PC browser. If you enjoy reading Wattpad stories on your computer and want to access them later without needing an internet connection, then this tutorial will help you understand what options are available when using Wattpad in a web browser. To begin, open your preferred browser on your computer and go to the Wattpad website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Wattpad account so you can access your library and saved stories. After logging in, search for the story you would like to read offline later and open it from the search results or your library. Now, it is important to note that Wattpad's official offline reading feature is mainly designed for the mobile app and is not fully supported on the desktop browser version. This means there is no direct download button on the PC website that allows you to officially save stories for offline reading, the same way you can on mobile devices. First option is using your browser's reading or save feature. For example, you can save the web page for personal offline access through your browser settings. In most browsers, you can open the menu and choose an option like Save Page As. After saving the page to your computer, you may be able to reopen the saved file later without internet access. The appearance of the story may look slightly different compared to the original Wattpad layout, but the text can still remain readable. If you regularly read Wattpad stories offline, the best experience is usually through the Wattpad mobile app because it includes a dedicated offline reading feature that automatically saves stories directly inside the app. As you can see, Wattpad on PC browsers has limited offline reading support, but there are still a few simple ways to access stories later without relying completely on an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.